Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see addition and subtraction of mixed fractions for year 5 or grade 5 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. To add or subtract the mixed fractions, convert the fractional parts to the like fractions first when you are adding mixed fractions. So the first method is you need to convert the fractional part into the like fractions first. Then add or subtract the whole numbers before adding or subtracting the fractional part. Whatever the whole number you have to add them, and after that you have to add the fractional part. Let's see one example here. Add 1 by 2 and 2 1 by 4. I need to add them. I'll explain you in two methods because the students who are in 3rd and the 4th standard or in the 2nd standard also, they will understand with the figure method. Let's draw the figures here first. I have 1 here, so I have made 1 box. I have 2 here, so I have made 2 boxes here. I have the fractional part 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. As I told you earlier, you have to make them to the like fractions first. That means I have to make the denominator same. This is 4. I can make this 2 by multiplying this 2 with numerator and denominator, and I can convert it as 2 by 4. Now my fraction is 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. If I made a box, I have to make a box of 4 boxes each. So there are 4 boxes, as you can see that 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Out of 4 boxes, 2 parts are shaded. So I made 2 parts shaded. Out of 4 boxes, 1 part is shaded. So this is 1 part shaded. I have to add all of them. 2 plus 1 will give you 3 here. 2 parts and total 1 part here. Total are 3 parts out of 4 parts. So I have shaded 3 parts out of 4 parts. I have to give the answer here. Answer will be given as 3 complete parts, and this is the fractional part will be written as 3 by 4. That will be the answer for the addition here. Now let's do this with the normal method here. 1 1 by 2 and 2 1 by 4. As I told you earlier, you have to add the numerical numbers first. This will be written as 2 plus 1 3, and I have to add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. I have to make the denominator same. This will be written as 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 2 plus 1 by 4. That will be equal to 3 bracket 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4. 3 bracket 4 is the LCM. Numerator will be 2 plus 1. That will be written as 3 by 4. That will be my answer. Let's do it with the third method here. 1 1 by 2. I will write down 1 1 by 2 as an improper fraction first. How do I write down the improper fraction? 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. This fraction is written as 3 by 2. Let's write down here. 1 1 by 2 will be written as 3 by 2. 2 1 by 4 will be written as 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. This will be written as 9 by 4. I need to add both of them. Let's add it. 3 by 2 plus 9 by 4. I need to make it to the like fractions. That means I need to make the denominator same. I'll make the denominator same by multiplying this with 2 and this with 2. The answer will be 3 times 2 is 6. 6 over 4 plus 9 over 4. 4 is the LCM. Numerator will be 6 plus 9. If you add 6 plus 9, the answer is 15 by 4. As this is an improper fraction, you have to write down the answer in the mixed fraction form. Let's divide it. 15 by 4 here. 4 4s are 16. 16 is greater than 15. I can't take that. 4 3s are 12. Let's write down 3 here and let's write down 12 here, and your remainder is 3 here. If you have to write down in the mixed fraction form, this will be written as my quotient is 3, which is the complete whole, and 3 by 4. That will be my answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.